Hello everyone, and today we will be talking about the array list. The array list has different methods like add value, add index value, get index, set index value, remove index, size, and clear. These are some methods that you can use in the array list, and this is an explanation. So basically it's a part of java.util.package, and it stores elements in order of insertion. That means whatever element you um, insert first, um, it will be first, the first element. If you insert 1, that's your first element. If you insert 2, that's your next element. 3, that's your next element. And it allows duplicate values. That means you can insert duplicated values, and it's an index-based access. That means you can set or get elements by the position, and it automatically gets resized when full. So let's directly jump to programs to have a good look at it. So first we will see how to import a array list. So we use import java.util.ArrayList. So this is how we import ArrayList. So hub, like static void main string args. Now the first program that we're going to see is how to so this is how you create a array list. So the list, you give the data type that you want to store. So in this, we will not use the primitive data types. Instead, we will be using the will hold objects, not primitives. So basically what it does is Java will automatically wrap your primitives using autoboxing. So let's go. You can also give this as list, or you can also give this as an array list. It's your wish. Then I'm going to give fruits is equal to new. Here you have to give it as array list. You can't give it as list. Next, we're going to see how to add elements. So to add elements, you have to give your list name and give the method called add, and then you can add your fruits. So fruits to add. I'm gonna add banana. I'm going to add orange. So these are things I'm going to add. And now let me just quickly show you how it looks. So you can see here a list, and apple, banana, and orange, whatever we added is added to the list. Now I'm going to show you how to print each items in an array list separately. For this, we will be using a for each loop. So the data type is string, and we're going to access each element inside the array list. So let me give it as element. Then inside it, I'm going to name my array list. Now system.out.println and we will be printing out each element. Now let's run the program. You can see that we are printing each element separately. Now the next method we're going to use is add index value. I'm going to show you how to use that in our code. In our code, we have added apple, banana, and orange. The index of the apple is 0, the banana is 1, and the orange is 2. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to insert a new fruit at index 0. For this fruits.add, we have to give the index value first. Let me say 0 is my first index, so I give 0. The the strawberry is the new fruit that I'm going to insert. Now at the 0th position, I have inserted my new fruit. Now let's run the program and check whether the new fruit has been inserted. You can see here in the 0th position, that means the first position, strawberry has been updated and apple is at the first index, banana is at the second index, and orange is at the third index. Now I'm going to show you how to retrieve your elements using index values. So you can retrieve the index values as well. So system.out.println. So we are going to retrieve the second fruit. So fruits dot get, to get the second fruit, you need to give one less than the value that you need to get. So we know that the second fruit is going to be, this is the first one because this is at the 0th index of strawberry. This is at the first one, this is the second fruit. So let's see if it's getting printed or not. So you can see here the second fruit apple is printed. We have to use the array list name dot get function, and inside that you have to mention the index number that you want to access. I'm going to show you how to update an array list. To update an array list, let's take a look at the array list. We're going to update this element. We're going to change the fruit banana to a different fruit. So in this, we're going to update. So to update, we'll be using the array list name, and we'll be using the function, the method set. Inside set, you need to give the index value of which fruit you're going to change in here, the first one, and we're going to change it to watermelon. Now let's run the program and check whether a fruit's been changed. You can see here, oh, I'm really sorry, to change banana, we have updated strawberry to 0. That means apple is first fruit and banana is the second and this one is third. So if you want to change banana, then we have to give 2. And now let's run the program, and you can see here the banana has been changed to watermelon. Now I'm going to share with you guys how to remove an element. So this is update. So let's remove an element from our array list. You need to give the array list name, and this is the function that you need to give. For this, if you just give the index value, it's enough to remove that element. So let's remove apple. So I'm going to give my index 1, and now you can see that apple is being removed from this array list. Now in this list, we're going to search an element. I'm going to show you how to search an element. So search. So let's use an if condition to search. Because if you want to search a list, this searching will return true. It will return true or false. Okay, if true, if the element will exist, or false otherwise. Okay, so let's see. Fruits dot contains. Okay, so we will give a fruit name. Let's say watermelon in this case. So if it contains, we will print watermelon is there. Else we will print no, not there. Let's run the program and check for ourselves. So you can see here watermelon is there. Now let's give some other element, maybe any other fruit that is not there. Let's give kiwi. Kiwi. Now let's run the program. You can see it's not there. Next we're going to see how to print the size of our array list. Fruits to size. Now let's run the program and check for ourselves. You can see here 3 because there are strawberry, watermelon and orange. So we have total of 3 fruits. Remove all the elements in an array list. We use ArrayList name dot clear. Let's check that in the output. You can see here at the end your array list is empty because we have cleared all the elements inside the array list.